Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up a new account and sign up to TM Bank Australia. In order to find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let us get started. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up, and then in the address bar, type in tmbank.com.au and then press enter. Now you will be taken into the official website of TM Bank Australia. From this website, just click on the Apply button at the top section. Once you do this, you will be able to select the type of account that you want to create. Once you select your type of account, you will be taken into the Account section. You can click on the Apply button and you will be given a form that you will need to fill up to open up your account. Go ahead and fill up this form, and then you can send it to the email address mentioned within this form. Once you do this, you will be sent an email into the account that you used to sign up. And once you do that, you will be able to set up your username and password that you can use to log in to your TM Bank account. However, you will need to fill up the form carefully without any mistakes. And that is how you can sign up to create a new account on TM Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to be notified with interesting videos that we upload. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.